Something symbolizes a door needing to be shut properly, but it's just not shutting. I don't know if the door is broken. Excuse me. Somebody need to say excuse me. Somebody need to move over. Seven with a 10. Numerology is coming up really strong. Pendleton, like a name. Pendant. Somebody wants to name their kid Pendant. Like independent, but just pendant. Somebody's independence is growing fondly. Somebody's independence is going down reluctantly, depictedly, like an image depictedly. Tenseness, devouredness, humbledness, transformerness. I'm hearing wholesome, wholesale, whole groundedness. Hearing kids, independent finances, business, big business, entrepreneurship, demonic ways, platonic ways, like platonic friendships. We'll stop there. Somebody's friends are on a hit list, like a B list, A list, C list, celebrity list. Somebody has some important friends and they're up next to be a part of the important clientele. Somebody said, I thought we told you you're never leaving us. Never. Somebody means that like death. You're gonna die here, that's what they're saying. Like jail. Somebody was supposed to spread away a long time ago, become a tarot reader a long time ago. Somebody was supposed to make way a long time ago, never did. They just kept doing the wrong thing. Just kept doing the wrong thing, and the wrong thing, and the wrong thing, and then finally the right thing, finally the right thing, finally the right thing, the wrong thing, the wrong thing, the wrong thing, the wrong thing, just all day, the wrong thing, the wrong thing. This person has a repeat pattern of just doing the wrong things on purpose, the wrong thing, the wrong thing, the wrong thing, the wrong thing, the right thing, the right thing, and the right thing. Their rights outwork their wrongs. Sitting here counting, I don't know how, but I guess sometimes when you contribute wholeheartedly, that's like 100% opposed to when you don't show up. It's more so like, kind of like that. The percentages is like greater, even though your wrongs are a lot more. The time you would have put in to do right counted more. So it's like you already knew it. You contributed there and always there, and not in any other areas, and that's what made it equal. But it's like a perfect flat, like perfect even, where you barely dodged that bullet. I feel like it was going up, and you just can't. I feel like my climax is changing, but I can't move with it very strongly. But like circumference is a circumference and a degree in which you're having problems in, whatever that means to you. Circumference is a degree in which you're having trouble calculously You're having trouble. Mathematically, you're having trouble. I'm gonna need you to pick that up, sir. You dropped something. Your brain is what someone is saying. You dropped your brain. You might want to pick it up. They're insinuating, oh, it's a pretty girl right there. Pick your brain up. She's right there looking at you. Make sure you still do good in school. You still do good in life, or else the pretty girl isn't going to be there for very long. She's going to think you're just a dumb dude. Dumb nigga. It's a really, really dumb nigga. Gotta really be smart. Because they do check. I need my woman to be therapeutically alright. Meaning spiritually you have to be okay enough to carry somebody like me. If I have to lean over to pick you up, then it doesn't really work. So, but you're making her that way. Such a tragic thing. Like someone is freezing time on purpose. Staring into midair, trying to count cars, and it's like somebody's literally doing it on purpose. Somebody said, I wonder if he can read with regular tarot cards. I'm gonna get him some. You should. I can read regular tarot cards, but I have to actually take the time to study them if I get into it. I know some of them, but not all of them. The hanging man is when you're in a position in which you need some help, or the hanging man is a decision that's stuck in the middle of the air, or it can be deemed as equal to middle. Somebody said Down syndrome. Somebody has Down syndrome, very much so, but they don't let that stop them from getting where they need to go. They still count their steps. They still make sure life is okay. They still make sure life is deemed as correct and okay. That's what I'm hearing. Hearing B2K wants to come outside. The little dancing group that was up back in like the 2000s. Only song I know about them is All I Do, the one where they're at school. Somebody's having sex at school. That's what you're supposed to do. That's what I'm hearing. Somebody's cheering somebody on if they're doing it. That's what you're supposed to do, is what I'm hearing. That's what you were supposed to do, is what I'm hearing. Too many people got involved. Very dangerous situation. Too many people know your business. People can know you in the spotlight and not know none of your business. That's what I'm hearing. Somebody's very known in the spotlight and nobody knows their business. That's the way it's supposed to be. You can take a lot of the cards out for that. Like, congratulations, you did it right. And you have your king at the end of it all because you went through everything. Always choose the broken women and not the women that are already fixed and healed. I figured those ones are harder to come by, right? Somebody said easier. I feel like those are easier to come by. Gotta remember this reading isn't for me, so when I read, it comes out as I'm talking for me, but it's not me. Dancing with the devil, test all giants. I was thinking God's move, but it was God's giants. Somebody's praying to God. big time, no rush. Somebody's gonna get their praise in advance, so God and the kingdom can hear them and their wishes. It's gonna move you out to a place where you'll be more successful, more happy, more financially blessed. Your life is gonna take off and go in a correct order and manner that it's supposed to, so you can get your queen as well. It's a big long list of things to do. So tired. Somebody's so tired. Just in a regular life every day. Can you tell I'm just like drained, tired, like used up? Except nobody's used me. Just tired. Like there's something walking over me, hovering, purposely going down, trying to silence me or something. Somebody's voice is being quieted. Somebody's unable to speak at this point in time. Somebody's unable to bless themselves. Is what I'm hearing. Somebody needs a doctor visit. It's coming in now. Somebody needs resuscitation. It's coming in now. Somebody needs proof of payment. It's coming in now. Somebody needs proof of truth. It's coming in now. Somebody needs approval, authorization. It's coming in now. Somebody needs holistic treatment. It's coming in now. So tired, so drained, so drowsy. It's coming in now. Here, it's coming in now, and it's coming in fast. Something or somebody is sick and they're about to pass away. It feels like. I'm hearing push through, get through. Don't do it. Get all the way through. Get up and out. 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 Feel better about life. Hearing all of this is supposed to be money, but all of it is going zero, bankrupt. So I saw a video of somebody smoking money, or they had the money on fire and they were lighting a blunt with the money that was on fire as if it was a lighter when they already had the lighter. But hearing all that money goes to waste when you don't know how to use it and spend it wisely. So nervous about the future and timid. This is me talking, but giving these readings is like speaking for I'm not talking about me, clearly. I'm talking about other people that are trying to connect and like channel their energy and stuff through me. And I'm drained, like whooped, tired, beat, busted. And I feel like can't get no sleep. Every time I try to go to sleep, it's like, nope, 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 nope. Like overboard. Something is so overboard, it's nasty. Hearing the Trojan man. Yeah, that was it. Just don't feel good. My hoe's supposed to be about 30 to 40 years old. My hoe isn't supposed to be any older, any younger than that. Anything older and younger than that is bad. Right. Gonna need to hunch over and just be cool. Until something passes over. Crosses over. Something that's holding on, hanging on, it's supposed to just let go.